Okay, so this second video will just show you how to do the registration within 1 minute, just 2 minutes you are done with the registration. So what you do is go to the referral link that was sent to you by your hotline. It's going to be something like this: smart.money AI's question mark invite code, and you see some digits after it. You understand? So you just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your browser. You understand? So once it comes to your browser, it will ask you to connect. Select this Phantom wallet. You understand? Just select the Phantom wallet there. So I'm going to select this Phantom, and instantly it's going to take you straight to your Phantom wallet. So once it comes to your Phantom wallet, it will now request you to connect. You understand? So once it's here, the next thing is for it. It will ask you to connect. So click on connect. You can click on anyone, whether this one down or this one up, anyone is fine. So just click on connect wallet. So once you click on connect wallet, it's going to ask you to select another wallet. Just select the Phantom. So you just click on Phantom. I'll click on Phantom here. Then it will now prop up this place asking you to connect. You understand? So click on the connect again. Then it might likely ask for confirm. Yes, so just click on this confirm here too. Confirm. So once you click on confirm, the last stage will just be to do the sandwich confirmation. Yes, so to now show you this place. This is the community we belong to, Sandwich Society Community. You understand? So just click on confirm there to do the last confirmation there. So I'll just click on confirm. So once you're done, so it will now ask you to put in a nickname. Your nickname here is something like your username. You understand? You can put it anything you want. So let me just put in okay, let me just put in Yin Josh, or no, let me just put in Yinks. Yeah, so let me just put in. So once you've done that, just click on the confirm again. So once you click on confirm, automatically your account will be created. So once that is done, for you to confirm that the registration is successful, you are going to see on this top page, this section here is going to show your username that you just created. You understand? So once that is done, you are good to go. So the next thing now is just for you to do your funding. To do your funding, just click on this green tab, this wallet tab. Just click on it. It will show you the deposit page. You understand? So just click on deposit. So just click on deposit, and you can select USDT. I prefer using USDT so that it's a stable coin instead of selecting Solana. So just select the USDT option. Then it will ask you for which of the option. BEP20 is fine. You understand? Leave it at BEP20. Then you just copy the address and go to your exchange or anywhere you want to fund from and send the money to this account. So once you send the money to this account, you are good to go. The next thing is just for you to activate your bot. To do the activation of the bot, just scroll down. Just scroll down. You are going to see this section here. Yes, this section here. So once you funded, just click on this place and you'll be able to activate the bot. So once you've activated your bot, the last thing is just for you to now put in your capital. You understand? So to do that, just go back again to this section, this green button here. You understand? Your fund will still be there. Just click on activate and follow the prompts. You understand? To activate, select either 1 day, 7 day, 30 days, or 100 days contract. Select the funds you funded, and it will instantly, start trading for you. Hope this is clear. Thank you so much. God bless.